Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I'm back with another project share. So I cannot stop making these cupcakes dangles. So it's all Poochie's fault. And so this is the one I shared the last time I did a video. This is the one that Poochie taught everybody how to do. And then I used some other beads and I came up with this. Ooh, hard time focusing here, a little too close. Okay, sorry, hard to see. Okay, so that's like second generation. And then I thought, you know what, I bet you I can use these really small round flat oval beads that I have in my stash. And so then I opened up my collection and this is what I came up with. So let me just kind of share with you. Sorry, my workspace is like really messy right now because look at all that stuff over there, because I literally just finished like making these and I'm like, I need to stop because I need to like work on my swap. So oh my gosh, okay, but I couldn't resist, so I actually had to go back to Ben Franklin to like buy more head pins. So I found this and these are not that stiff. The wires are more soft, but these are actually better, which I found these, but then because they're so small, I'm like, I'm gonna just try to use them. So at the beginning I used the flat ones like this one here, and then later on I changed over to the round head pin. Okay, so when I first started I just made the loop, and no, I didn't try that new tool yet. I still have to look at it, but so I just made those with the loop. I'm gonna just stick it in here as I show it to you. And then I changed to trying to wire wrap, but it's hard because that wire is really soft. So I was having a hard time with that. So what I eventually ended up doing was, and I've seen people do this before where they like roll it twice. And I think that might be pretty secure. So I just got the end and I rolled it around my, my round nose pliers. And that's what I made. So here are, see, like, so this one is really junk. I'm gonna have to like redo this one because it's too loose. Because I don't know, I gotta redo that one. Okay, but the other one seemed to be okay. This one I wire wrapped, and so I just went through my collection to see what kind of these round flat beads that I had. And I don't know if people are gonna think it looks like a cupcake, but I still think it does. And I think it's so cute because it's small. Oh my gosh, look how tiny they are. Okay, so for reference, this is the other size. This is the one Poochie came up with, and look how small these are. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so fun. So that one you can use the regular size Heishi beads. Look how cute. See, the wire is soft, so it keeps moving. But I still like it. I still like it. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. Love it. This, I can't like stop making it. I'm like addicted. So I even tried to use the different colored ones I had. But a lot of the colored ones I have are dark, so it's a little harder to use. Oh my gosh, you guys have to just try it. Just bust out your beads and just play around and see what looks cute and what, you know, because you can always take it apart if you don't like it. But so I totally went like bead shopping online today. So I'm sure in the near future you will see me hauling a lot of beads, and I totally blame Poochie. Hey Poochie, it's all your fault. But I think it's super adorable. I don't even know what I'm gonna make like with all those beads that I bought, but like between these and those safety pin things, you know, I'm just like into the bead thing right now. I don't know why. Can't stop making these charms. Okay, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna just like share this with my swap partners. That's why I made so many, because you're like, what are you gonna do with all these like beads? But so now I have like all different sizes and I can kind of play around with what I'm gonna give my partners. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this little project share, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.